Sky D is you and Colin. Come now, come. Fabulous, you to join him.
Landlord, good afternoon.
Afternoon. Have you gotten your sanitizer? You don't buy sanitizer?
Landlord, I plan to buy.
You dey plan to buy your. Listen, your quick notice is planning for you. How about you?
Landlord, I've gotten that one.
How about pocket sanitizer?
I never buy that one. But landlord, you with the ass person, you don't buy your nose mask.
Now masquerade I buy. Since you don't know that I'm the first person that have it. Hey! Hold it! If you sneeze, if you drop it. Hello, Chukwuemeka. How much is nose mask? Bring two for me. You see me on top of pawpaw tree. Fast.